Oh, hello. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be talking about this wonderful Fresh Pot coffee machine, which I do thoroughly enjoy making a cup of every morning before I go to work. This wonderful machine has our patented triple filtration technology, to where you don't even have to buy those annoying paper filters every time you fill up your coffee cup. Simply select your favorite brand of coffee, open the front of the machine like so, and add to your liking of strength and potency. Then, we simply open up the back, pour in our unfiltered water to the fill line, shut this baby down, make sure our power switch remains turned on at all times, and we wait for our steaming, fresh brewed, wonderful Fresh Pot coffee to pour right out of that. And it is just delicious, folks. Let me tell you, I'm enjoying a cup right now. Welcome back. It looks like our delicious fresh brewed pot is just about coming to fruition here. So what I'd like to do at this time is welcome a satisfied Fresh Pot's coffee maker user onto the set to help me enjoy this fresh brewed pot. Come on down and join me on the set here.
Hey, dude, thanks for coming in. It was so nice to see you.
Well, have a seat, Bob.
Oh, sure.
So, Bob, tell me a little about yourself.
I was a rodeo clown, and then I broke both my legs in a tragic gasoline firefight accident with my friends. So now I just am a professional Call of Duty player, amateurly.
Amazing. You mean with the 5-year-old kids?
I love killing kids.
Bob, I think we need to come back to the coffee machine at this point in the show. Can I interest you in a cup?
I would love a fresh pot of fresh pots. Thank you.
Well, Bob, it looks like you're really enjoying that fresh pot there. You think you want to save a sip for me, Bob? Bob? Folks, it looks like Bob has consumed the entire fresh pot of coffee.
Thank you. That was a really good fresh pot.
Glad you enjoyed it. Well, at this point in the show, I feel obligated to tell you, nice folks at home, that all this lovely furniture you see around us has been donated by the Sofa King, where prices aren't just low,
They're so fucking low.
And remember, folks, for the freshest choice in coffee makers, brew yourself a fresh pot. Oh, hello. Welcome to our Fresh Pot retake.